Right spot, gotta go. She the blood in them, they ain't even having a lie. She don't know what she doing, this just giving it up. What the hell? Girl that a wham in a circle, even if a little make a jump like a hurdle. Girl that a wham in a circle, even if a little make a jump like a hurdle. Girl that a wham in a circle, even if a little make a jump like a hurdle. Even that was small, still throw that.
Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that.
What the hell? Girl that a wham in a circle, even if a little make a jump like a hurdle. Girl that a wham in a circle, even if a little make a jump like a hurdle. Girl that a wham in a circle, even if a little make a jump like a hurdle.
When you down, when you on, bitch. When you down, when you on, when you down, yeah, you on, when you down.
A few days later, and as y'all can see, I got these star stickers on my face because girl is on her cycle. For some reason, I've been breaking out in the weirdest places. Usually like I break out in my back area, which I still am, but right now your girl's breaking out on her nose. Never have I broken out on my nose since I was a teenager, but for some reason my teenage symptoms is coming back. It's a few days later from that last clip of me doing my hair. I had to kind of retouch it up. Instead of putting the jam on my hair that I did yesterday, I ended up just putting gel and kind of like finger coiling it so it can kind of blend more out with my hair. And y'all don't mind my girlfriend, she ain't there in the game, so she's loud. Y'all know how to be. After I got done doing my hair, we went to Ross because our child said that he needed some black pants in general because the black pants that he had, they were like becoming hot waters. Y'all, this boy is getting really tall, so it feels like every time we go shopping for him, we have to keep getting more back to back to back. Shop in the man section, which is crazy. I do have a clip of that, but I just kind of wanted to give y'all an update on yesterday. Y'all did see me make those boo-boo nuts I was talking about. And if you guys have not seen my last video, I was talking about them and how my dad used to make it when I was younger. And what we did, it was after we melted chocolate over it, we put it in the fridge and we let it, you know, get cold, and it'll like break apart like candy. So good, so good. My bundles had came in the mail, so I ended up installing them and dyeing them black. I had to dye them black because my natural hair, when I dyed it back from being red, like I said in my previous video, I had to dye it jet black. So, and they were like a brown color, so I had to run to the beauty supply, grab a jet black hair dye, look up a technique on TikTok and do it. And it came out pretty cute. It's looking a little real. I'm just gonna drop in the clip of me and Zay at the store, getting him his pants and also getting him additional items. I did also add in a haul, kind of walk through what we got. There was a couple stores I did not bring you guys into, but y'all see in the haul what we got anyway. So I'll see y'all when it's done. Maybe we can get one pair of pants. Y'all, we found some. And hopefully they fit him. Ain't these basketball shoes? Yeah. And where could they small in there? Okay, so like a medium now probably. Ain't that the young thug spider?
Yeah.
Spider.
I'm
And it's on $8.99.
Shoot, Young Thug.
It's funny because we probably sound so old and this not even his brand. Oh, but it's only 4 in there.
I mean, those better because it's all black, blue, solid color.
This one back.
The green.
The green. This is the color we need for our living room, and
The olive green.
yes, I like that color.
Yeah, that's all we're looking at too.
Oh, look at this. I like this. It's like a mature color. Oh, that's cute. I'm back. We're back. So I'm just gonna do y'all a mini haul of what we got there. Don't mind my dog. If you have a Chihuahua, you know they're very anxious and shaky. Well, most of them. He knows I'm right here, so that's why he just making a lot of noise. I'm just gonna show you guys the pants. This is what we got first. You can never go wrong with Levi pants. And hopefully they fit because he's really at a weird size to where he's skinny, but he's tall. Hopefully these fit, and if they don't fit, he'll grow into them. This boy literally grows so fast. Dark blue jeans. We got some black ones. He specifically requests for black jeans. We got these, and I really like these because they actually have pockets in them. I feel like they'll go through with a lot of things, and they look very sleek. A lot of times when you go to like stores, a lot of their black pants come really faded, so it's good that these are solid black and not faded. I be stuck in between getting him still kid sizes because he's still 12, but he still fits like young men. Like I said, he's tall. I also found these shoes, y'all. He actually is supposed to be starting, and it's perfect timing because he starts his first track practice for middle school tomorrow. We were just looking around at the shoes, and we actually ended up finding these track cleats. They're size 11.5. He wears like a size 11, but no, he wears size 11.5 because his feet is a little big. Like, he has wide feet, so that's why I got him 11.5. And these are manual. He got some big feet. He had the little twisty things to put in there. If you ran track, you know what these are. But some of them didn't have these. So if we didn't get them, we would have had to order some of these, but it's perfect because these ones came with them. So since it is really cold, and honestly it feels like it's getting colder by the day, we got him this jacket. It's like a New Balance jacket, like a bigger size, so he can also grow into it as well. And it's nice. I like this. I probably won't fit it more name still. So y'all, we ended up getting him these black joggers. These are like more comfortable types, so when he wants to, like, you know, be at gym or whatever the case may be, he got some flexible jogger pants. Later on from the last clip of me brushing my teeth and everything, then sitting in the house, since now it's like 3 hours later, it's supposed to be a snowstorm coming. Not a snowstorm, an ice storm, y'all. They said an ice storm. I ain't never heard nothing about no ice storm in my life. This is the first time I heard about an ice storm. I heard about a snowstorm, but no ice storm. And they say it's supposed to be worse. We prepared just like how we would prepare for a hurricane. Fill up the tubs. Make sure you have candles, flashlights, everything. I filled up jugs of water. Then I'm gonna fill up the tub. I have to clean the tub out first before I fill it up with water because it's supposed to be water that we're supposed to be using for, you know, different necessities like bathing, flushing the toilet. I don't want to be doing all that with dirty water, okay? It's really dirty. You probably can't really see it on camera, but it's dirty. Needs to be cleaned anyway. Always use tonic. I don't really use the Ajax one, but when I was younger, we grew up on that comment, okay? I'm gonna just spray some of this stuff like in the corners and the crevices and everything. Now we are done. Everything is clean. I put everything back. The walls, I'm not gonna lie, it still got little stains on them. For some reason, this material is like hard to get stuff off of it, but for the most part, everything looks clean, way better than it did before. So I just left the cool water dripping. And now I just gotta organize all this stuff and, you know, put it up. It's pretty much organized and clean. I do have to get me a little organizer to, you know, fix that up because that's bothering me. But yeah, it's clean. Bathroom's clean. Y'all, so the snowstorm, well, not the snowstorm, the ice storm is here, and I don't know if y'all can see it good, but the chair is literally frozen. Some ice just fell on somebody's car. Look like she moving the stuff that fell. Oh, man, look at that car. Where? Oh, there's white ice on it. They must came from a snow area. As y'all can see, you know, the ice storm is supposed to be here. I'm kind of mad we didn't get the snow portion. That concludes today's vlog. I'm trying to drop videos every Sunday. Seems like this is the schedule we're following on. I always end up done editing on a Sunday and uploading on a Sunday, so that's most likely going to be the schedule anyway. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.